Selamat datang, namaskaram, and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen. The recipe that I'm going to share with you today is a chicken stew, a Kerala chicken stew. This recipe is my mother's recipe to which I have made a few modifications. I will explain as we go along. Before we dive into the video, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the channel icon that will appear towards the end of this video. Shall we go into the kitchen and check out the ingredients for Kerala chicken stew? 700 grams of chicken. I have here a combination of chicken breast and bone-in chicken thigh. 8 green bird's eye chillies split lengthwise. 20 grams of ginger julienned. 2 big cloves of garlic also julienned. 2 medium-sized onions cut into crescent shapes. 2 tablespoons of coconut cream powder mixed with 1 cup of water. 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into quarters. Half a teaspoon roasted fennel seed powder. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder and salt to taste. 200 ml packet of coconut milk. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. 3 stalks of curry leaves. Shall we start cooking the chicken stew? I haven't turned on the fire. I've put the chicken in the pan, followed by the potatoes, the onions, garlic, the ginger, and the coconut powder mixed with water. I'm going to turn on the flame. My flame is high. We'll wait for the coconut milk to come to a boil, after which I will reduce the flame. The coconut milk has come to a boil. Now I'm going to reduce the flame to medium. Add another cup of water, and now we'll give it a good stir. Add the green chilies, the salt and the white pepper. Now we'll wait for the potatoes and the chicken to get cooked. Cover the pan. Have the flame on a medium heat and cook until the chicken and the potatoes are done. It has been 16 minutes. Now let's check to see if the potatoes are done. Yes, the potatoes are done. The chicken are also done. The chicken rather is also done. Taste for salt. The salt is fine. Now I'm going to reduce the flame to between low and medium and add the 200 ml of coconut milk. This preparation is my mother's preparation. I have modified it a bit, as I said, by adding the pepper, the garlic, and I will be adding the roasted fennel seed powder. My mother's recipe is exactly the same as how I made the potato stew. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. just leave it in a low flame. I'm going to reduce it to low. We'll wait for the coconut milk to come to a boil. At this stage, I will just break up some of the potatoes to give some texture to the gravy. Okay, just not too many of it, just few potatoes. The coconut milk has come to a boil. I have just turned off the flame. I'm going to add the roasted fennel seed powder now. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. 3 stalks of curry leaves go in right at the end. Give this a gentle stir. We'll cover the chicken stew and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Kerala chicken stew, best served with appam, idli, dosa or iddiappam. Please do try this recipe at home because you can take it from me. You would love this dish. It is a delectable chicken stew. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, share it with your family and friends and provide me with your feedback in the comment section below. Please also subscribe to my channel by clicking on this channel icon over here. Until I see you again next week with a new video, thank you, stay safe and bye.